Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is day 3 of our $5 or less mukbang meal.
Cheap and clean.
What do we have, my love?
Alright, today we got cooked down, what do you call it? Tuna fish. Yes.
Or you call it aka curry tuna fish.
AKA curry tuna fish. But with a little bit of curry. We didn't want to make it too overpowering, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
But we got a little bit of curry on it. Very easy and very simple. Plus, firstly, I'm gonna do it today. You can take a break.
Okay.
We got plantain. You know, we love us some plantains. You know, we gotta have that. Then we got avocado, as first they say, aka pear. You know what I'm saying? Her side, my side. But damn, first lady. It's a lot of food today. Do your thing.
You tell them about the plantain, right?
Yeah.
Coming up, you gotta pay attention.
I tell them everything else already.
Now, guys, if you want to know how we prepared this meal, there will be a link somewhere up here, maybe like later on down the video. Make sure you watch this first and then go check out how to make it, okay? But before we dig in, I want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah. Yeah.
We're fine. We're back. I'm not even gonna ask because I know you like First Elite outfit today because I love it.
I have my fork.
Damn, you know that spoon should I get?
A spoon for real. Your problem that today? Can I piece of napkin, my love?
Here, take all the napkin you want. It's just that spoon should I get today? Because of the rice where I work with, you know. Damn, you already started already?
Yes, I'm hungry.
You already started already? Why you with that then with no?
No problem. You like to wait. I have to start early because you finished before me anyway. So you should give me like 10 minutes head start.
You know what? You know, somebody get 10 minutes. Go and eat. I get my spoon.
No. Oh,
I'm gonna get my spoon.
Go get your spoon.
I'll be back. I'm giving her a head start because I'm gonna catch up with her.
It's not gonna help.
You want a spoon or no?
You know what? Bring one too, because I
get a shovel as with the subscribers say get a shovel.
We're gonna get a shovel. I feel greedy today. That's just a time. Guys, it's really good. I know what you're saying. I would have never thought to use tuna in that way. I know. My husband is amazing.
I'm back. What you over here chatting me for? You're chatting me?
I'm talking to you.
Here you go. Take your... No, someone that one that's smaller because your mouth smaller than mine. First day. I got to park this today. It ain't gonna work for me. Damn, girl, I ain't even started. You got enough time?
Nope.
You want me to help you on your side?
Nope.
Okay. I'm gonna help you then. Yes, we're back. Day 3. Nicer than nicer every day. Nice get nicer.
It's delicious.
I know.
The curry gives it a nice taste.
Yes.
And a color.
Exactly. As I said, you don't want to overpower it with the curry, but you can see it in the food. I don't know if I could see. First, I hold the pan. So, damn, I almost broke my finger. I know. I can't. I don't know, but
right there.
it's there.
Yeah, give it time. But trust me, and they don't have to put curry either.
They don't have to put curry.
They can leave the curry out.
They leave the curry out, but I choose to put the curry, you know? There's a little different flavor, you know what I'm saying? Just a little flavor on the rice, make the rice change color.
Well,
what do you think today? How is it?
about what? It's disgusting.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna have to be honest.
Oh my gosh. Don't
And it
do
tastes good. I don't know why I keep on eating
I
it.
know. It's so bad that it tastes so bad that you're still eating it.
I'm still eating it.
You turning me now? You breaking into me? You when stuff is bad, you still eat?
No. I had to tell that story about yourself. I almost cursed. When we was back there, we went to his restaurant.
Tell them.
It wasn't really a restaurant, but yeah, it was a restaurant. And the food was not good. One thing about Richie, he doesn't want to hurt people's feelings. But he was sure enough telling me if the food don't taste good.
You should know better.
But straight.
You should know better than other people that don't know better. I know you forever. You should know better, so I can tell you. You know what I'm saying?
He'd be like, honey, there's no pepper on this food today. Or honey, you didn't make enough food. You didn't give me enough food. But if you go to a restaurant, he'd be like, oh, their food is so good. I'm like, this food is nasty. He's like, you know, it's right. I didn't want to say anything in front of them.
She sure do tell you that. Remember the time I went to get my hair done?
Oh my goodness.
Short story. Long time ago,
Oh my gosh.
I went to get my hair done. You know what I'm saying? Even the first day I would do my hair, but I gave her a break this time, so I wanted to go try somebody. There's one thing with us. If we see somebody have a business, we'll support it.
That's correct.
And if we don't like it, we just don't go back. So we still support it. So, there was a Jamaican lady. She used to live in our neighborhood. And she said, yeah, I do hair, I do all kind of, I do dreads, I do everything, name it. I do it. So one day now, I told first lady, you know, I'm gonna give her a try. Right. You know what I'm saying? Let me give her a try. So, I went down there, thinking I'm gonna get a bashman hairstyle, you know what I'm saying?
But Richie's
right.
hair was messed up, right? Because
Get him earpiece, don't go on them. Don't
no, Richie's hair was messed up because at that time I didn't know how to retwist dreads. He was new to it, I was new to it. So his hair was messed up. He needed a retwist.
Yes.
Go ahead, my love.
All right. So, I went to the lady now, saying she's gonna hook me up. I went down there, sat down. She took like about 2 hours and change. She do my hair a long time. Okay? Remember, my hair was messed up. So I'm new to it at first. I said she new to it. So she did twisting my hair. She did combing out my dread. What the hell?
What was she doing?
Combing the dreads out.
Just combing your dreads out?
Yes. And then say it's better when you reach your side. I said, okay, up to now, you know what I'm saying? You're not, some people come, but you're not, you know what I mean? So, she called me down. Twist up my hair. I said, yes, my joint gonna be clean. 2 hours passed. She said, oh, you're finished. I said, okay, this look nice. But in my head, I'm saying, the hair still look the same. But, again, you know, I'm testing the person out. You know, I paid my money and I leave. So I leave and came home now, first day wiping now.
So Richie walked through the door. And I looked at Richie and I said, I looked at the time. I'm like, okay, it's been like 2-3 hours. I said, honey, I thought you said you were gonna get your hair done. You know what Richie said? Family. You know what Richie said to me? I'm still pissed off.
Go on. You ever know better? Go on.
No.
Go on.
Richie said, I did do my hair. I said, where? Where did you do your hair, Richie? He said, I did my hair. I said, Richie, your hair looks worser. If there's such a word. Worser. Oh, shit. Worser than when you left here.
Wow.
Okay?
That's how
so how you gonna sit there and tell me that your hair done? So you know, as a woman, you start thinking, okay, where the hell you went then? And he said, no.
Nobody with that, boy. You do something woman. Nobody with that here.
Hey.
Nobody with that.
So, I'm like, where did you go?
You get my hair done?
I got my hair done. I said, there's no way. I said, who did your hair? He said, the lady and done the blah, blah, blah. I said, give me her number. I'm going to get your money back right now. You must have mud. Your hair looks awful. His hair looked awful. So I said, honey, you sat in the chair and you let her do this to your hair. You didn't say nothing. But if I'm doing your hair, you're like, wait a minute. Don't do it this way. Make sure you do it this way.
But you know better. Okay, you finish talking right now?
She's a hairdresser. She should know better.
Hey, she know better, but at the end, and I still pay her. So, one day now, me and First Lady outside, picking some Jew plum off somebody's tree, our neighbor tree. Guess who we see coming down the block?
Go ahead.
Guess who we see coming down the block? The lady. I said, First Lady, You remember the lady that did my hair? There she go right there. There she go right there. Right? So, I said, First Lady, please don't say nothing to her. Please don't say nothing to her.
Honey.
What?
What? Hold on, I'm gonna have to edit this out. What the hell? This person texting mad rude shit.
To what?
To the greedy couple. Because I've got to turn my volume down. You know, I don't really bring my phone in here. The fuck? They're like, hello, hello, hello. I know y'all see me. I said hi. Y'all fake as fuck.
Who was that?
Greedy couple. Wow, I see the cheap couple. The fuck?
Ashley Brown.
Ashley Brown. Y'all over there acting, what? Y'all over there can't afford 5 guys? So they watching our video?
Yeah.
So why don't they say this in the video?
In the video.
Why they trying to come into the... That man you had kids by need to cut that nasty looking... What the fuck?
Somebody playing around.
We can't afford to pay for 5 guys broke ass $5.
Yo, stop replying back to those people.
No, because I want to know the fuck. I'm not gonna... Nah. Go fuck yourself.
Don't even do that. It's got to be somebody playing around.
Yeah, but they mad offensive. They saying some stupid shit, son. Lying hoe. Cuzzo AB didn't call you.
Tell them to go watch the video. Yo, stop paying attention to them. Yo. They hating like that?
They hating like that, honey. Yo.
Don't block it, just leave it. I want to see what they keep buying.
But what the yo, that's fucked up.
But yeah. That was the story. Wow.
Now we here enjoying our good food and people wanna come hate us.
God damn, it's like that?
Yo, it's serious out there now? I know it's that serious.
You should put it on you should broadcast it.
I am.
Wow.
You know, we don't have 1,000 subscribers. We getting hate like that already? So this gonna piss me off.
And then look at the top of the clock said.
How much?
17%. Stop paying attention to that. Yo.
But we ain't pay for them shirts.
Yo, why? Stop replying back to them people. Just leave it. Why are you replying back to them people?
Cause that shit is annoying. So you gonna let people just talk about us like that? That shit crazy.
What are you gonna do? People, what we gonna do? You going back and forth with them? What are they gonna do? Tell them to call you and stop texting.
For real, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say, call me and stop texting, bitch. If you're bad, that's right.
And thank you for watching our videos.
Call me and stop texting, bitch. If you bad. And I'm done. I gotta eat my fucking food.
Mess up my damn vibe.
I know. You can't eat now.
Family, if you see what's going on right now. Wow.
I don't know it's that serious.
Damn.
The hate is like that?
Serious like that? If you see what's going on right now while we eating. My vibe is already broken. Yep. Yep. You should put it on the screen.
I am. They mad. Ashley Brown? That sounds fake.
That's fake. Hey, dumb.
Y'all being other people's lives trying to clout chase. So you watching me then? So I can't go to people's lives?
Thank you for watching us.
You a hater. Whoever that is, you a hater.
Thank you for watching us. You know what I mean?
Because you give us the views.
This person broke out vibe right now. I can't even enjoy my food. I'm serious. I can't even enjoy the food.
That's messed
Damn.
up. They go hard. So what? They sat up all night and watched all of our videos? Because I've never seen that person before.
I never seen that person.
And when I was in the shower, I was getting messages, like notifications. But I didn't know where it was coming from because it kept on going off. I'm gonna turn this off. This is annoying now. I'm going to get pissed the hell off.
Haters, B.
Let me turn this phone off. Talking about some of the food that y'all be making is for kids. And y'all can't cook and y'all need to stop lying. Stop doing videos. Whatever. I mean,
Wow. My vibe is broke. I can't enjoy my food.
I don't know who the hell that is, but
thanks though.
thank you. But
Nice.
you messed with the wrong one because my mouth ain't right.
Now you're gonna be on video. Since you want to be on video, you're on video now. Here's your shine.
Here you go.
That's crazy. I can't.
Oh, it's okay.
I can't enjoy the food now. You should even never reply to that shit.
I know.
The food, cause now I can't enjoy it.
I'm sorry. It's because it's like the person just kept on texting. I'm like, what? Because I ignored it the first time.
Matter of fact, we're going live after this.
We're going live, right?
We're going after this.
We're gonna clear this up because they got me messed up.
We're going live after this.
Because my husband don't play, okay?
We're
You're
going live
trying
after
us
this.
now.
We going live after this. Dead ass.
That's messed up, honey.
Wow.
But why did you say all that stuff for? I'm sorry, family. I don't want to turn this into talking about what happened, but y'all a part of it. And they're still going.
Wow.
They have no life. You not stop me on my food enough?
I can't eat no more. My vibe is already broken. Should just never show me that. We here trying to eat. Now we having somebody texting the greedy couple saying all kind of nasty stuff. Right, you about to dead.
That's on.
It's blinking now.
What's on though?
It's not telling you what's on. It's blinking now. They said 34 minutes. What? 354 minutes. But it's blinking right now. It was on a 15.
Okay. Honey, it was a prank.
It's a prank. Don't fuck yourself with me. Cause that's what I'm saying. Why? That's not you. Yo. Listen. How the fuck you did that?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you call what's it? Okay. Oh.
No. I got my sources.
Listen, family.
I got him.
Tom, one thing I think, I said, why you replying to them? You wouldn't even do that. Why you replying back to people
I
that
would
ain't
never
dead?
reply to negativity.
That's what I'm saying. Yo, I was about to go tell her some blood. That's what I tell a person to call me.
But you
Tell
want to
them
go
call.
live. But you want to go live.
Yeah.
Where you want to go live? Can't talk to you right now.
I want to go live to clear this up. If you got all that to say, might as well just
Yeah,
come
go
on live.
Come on live. We talk about it.
Yo,
That's how we
don't
do
do
things.
that. Don't do that. So, I swear to God, I was just about to say, now I can't even really enjoy my food because
I know, but we gotta go because the battery's soon dead.
Yeah. Family. I don't want to. She messed me up on this one because right now I'm like, yo, I can't even eat. Real talk, I can't even eat because I'm like, really, people already doing that, and we ain't doing nothing. But listen, I was about to go live right now, straight like that. I'm about to go live right now and just clear this up. Say, okay, you got all that just with me. You text it. Might as well just call. Why you texting? Call.
My husband's a gangster.
Don't do that. Because now you don't let me enjoy my food for real, yo.
All right, we gotta say we're out before the camera dies.
All right. Thank you for. Okay, I forgot what I'm gonna say now. Oh my God, this girl messed me up, yo. Don't do that, cause you just messed up my rotation.
I know. We will finish this, but not today.
Thank you for subscribing, sharing, commenting. We appreciate all of y'all. First lady messed me up, yo.
Team Shanice in the comment section. I got him, son. All right, guys. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Yo, me not say buy no my you. Alone I said buy no my. You me not say buy no my you. Just mash up the thing by you.
Go sit down.
Bye. No man, don't do that shit because right now I'm about to go live, son. I don't play them.